we're off to Seminyak, but on the way we're visiting many other sites near Ubud which we missed yesterday. The Tegenungan Waterfall first, and there's a restaurant on the cliffside here along with many shops from where you can buy souvenirs.
This place is very beautiful. However, if you have some physical problems, coming here might be a bit of a difficulty as there are quite a few number of stairs that you have to go down and come up by. This waterfall was definitely one of the prettiest ones I've ever seen. And now let's head towards our next destination of today, where we will be doing some exciting water sports.
So the next stop we did was at Nusa Dua, which is actually in South Bali, and it's much more developed compared to Ubud, and the highways were absolutely gorgeous. And here we came and stopped at a place called Bayu Sota for water sports, where we did fly fishing, donut and diving. It was exciting and so chilling. I am having an adrenaline rush after that. However, I'd like to tell you that definitely check the prices on the internet, because if you are a tourist, the probability that they will scam you is quite likely, because we did get scammed. When we checked with the internet, we realized we were being scammed for double the price. So definitely check it out. There's also a cafe here, so everybody can chill and enjoy the lovely sun on the beach. So for our third stop of the day, we're here at Uluwatu temple, which has gorgeous and stunning views. There's even a cliff, and we came at sunset, so it's even more prettier. And besides, during this time it's rainy season, so it does rain occasionally and you have cloudy skies, which I think add to the beautiful scenery of this temple. Also, I'd like to tell you that at the entrance you have to wear a sarong or a sash according to the length of your bottoms. Besides which, the main temple is not open for tourists. You can walk around, enjoy the beautiful views, and take back some wonderful memories of such a beautiful place. Besides that, I'd also like to warn you about the number of monkeys that are here. Compared to the monkey forest, I feel the monkeys here are a bit more aggressive, so just be careful. At this temple, please be careful with your belongings, your glasses, your slippers, in fact, even, because the monkeys are quite aggressive here and they can take whatever comes near their hands. In fact, I saw a few cases of glasses being stolen and slippers, so just hold on to your belongings. And there's a monkey behind me. Look at the view behind me. Jimbaran Bay, and we're having it at a restaurant called Seaside Cafe.
The food here is not only delicious but also fresh. Along with their amazing ambience, I recommend this place to all of you.
And with that, we made it to our villa in Seminyak, which is Villa Kushimata, which I'll cover in my next video.